30-turn copper wire. Another 30-turn copper wire for receiver. Connect the wire into LED light. You can connect the wire anywhere you want. $100 to capacitor that you can find it in mobile charger. And $100 to SMD resistor also you can find in mobile chargers. Connect the resistor one leg to capacitor one leg dot another to another leg. $13,003 transistor you find in light charger. Connect one side of resistor and capacitor leg to the transistor's first leg base. Now you need is 3 leg inductor coil 20 turn. Connect the one leg of 30 turn coil into inductor, one leg and another to another leg. Please like and subscribe my channel for more video and comments below. Connect the one leg of inductor and coil to the transistor's mid-leg collector. Inductor third and 30 turn copper wire dot to the capacitor and resistor another. Inductor second mid-leg to the battery positive plus. Transistor third leg to the battery negative.